Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In this video we will achieve this kind of result. Here we will play our audio files from the API side, and when we click on the start it will initialize our audio players and start our audio files. And with these buttons you can manage play and pause state of our audio file like this. When it in the progress state, then we can interact with the sequer so that we can control the progress of our audio files and reflect it to the audio play like this. We can next, and also we can click to the previous like this. So let's start. So come to our file where we have created a basic code which is essential for creating any type of. So I have created this audio example class in which I have implemented the app bar with deep purple, and also I give the link of this class to our main.dart file. For completing this tutorial we have to integrate a one package which is called just audio. Just audio package we will use to play our audio from the API, and also we will describe the duration. So we can perform every function related to audio with this package. And come to our this class. Now we will define our body. Here we will define our container, and we will define here our column. Apply here decoration. Now in decoration we apply some kind of gradient and apply the same color as a background color for our container, because we want to match the background color of this container with the app bar. I will give some kind of height for temporary. Now we will not give any type of color, we will give here gradient, and we will apply linear gradient. In linear gradient we pass two colors like this. It is not applying anything. We may pass here any one child so that it will reflect some light for us. It is, we want to apply here width 300 light. So we want to apply purple from top and blue accent at the bottom. So we will define the direction of linear gradient from top to bottom. Here you can see now it is coming from the top and end at the bottom. This dimension is temporary. After creating our children in the column we will remove a dimension. So now we will create here circle progress indicator. Now we will initialize our audio player class, where we will initialize our audio player, and also we will handle all kind of functions related to the play song, get the duration, or skip to the next, or skip to the previous. So define here new class which is audio player server. So define here audio server like this. Just create class audio player server like this. Now we will get here index and list of URL. So I have already defined the list of URLs which we will pass from the UI part. Like this we have just audio package and import. Here this is our class audio player, and we will get our list of audio URLs, and initially we will give current index 0. Now we have to call a method in which we will initialize the list of our audio URLs. So we will make our method for loading the list into our audio player service class like this. We have load audio list. Here we accept list of string and initialize it to our audio URLs. Now we will initialize our audio player. Here it is. This is our method play current audio. Now in this, first of all we have check audio URL dot is not empty, and current index should be less than and audio URLs dot length, because we will play our audio or initialize our audio player on the basis of condition that our audio URL's length should be greater than to the current index. So we have checked here. Now we will call await and audio player dot set URLs, and URLs is in our audio URLs list. So here audio URL list and pass our current index. Now we will play our player. So audio player dot play we will call here. Hope you understand. This method is for playing the audio. Now we will get the duration, like changing duration and also the total duration of audio file. Now we will make our stream for listen the duration of our song and also changing duration of our audio files. So how you can do that? Like this. Here define stream which is type of duration. we will define getter method. First is for duration stream. The duration means the total duration of our audio file. So here we will got audio player dot duration stream. The duration stream is already defined in our audio player class. So we have initialized our getter method with this value. And now the second getter method is for the position stream. As our audio files is playing, some type of progress will reflect on our seek bar. Then this progress bar we detect from the position stream, and also we will detect this progress as a second. So this is our position stream. And one more state we will detect using the StreamBuilder, which is player state, whether it is in the pause state or in the play state. This is our player state. Here we detect whether our audio file is, our player is in the playing state or completed state. Like now we will make a function which will toggle between the pause and play. So for making the pause and play, we will make our method toggle. So this is our toggle method, play and pause. First of all, we will check whether our Android player is playing or not. If it is playing, then we will apply pause. Else we will check our audio player processing state, whether it is completed or not. If it is completed, then we will pass our audio player the duration to the 0, so that our progress bar will set to 0. Otherwise, it will play our player. So in the first part, we just check whether it is playing. If it is playing, then it will find to pause this audio file. If the audio player is already in the completed state, it means the audio file is not playing and also it is completed, then we will update our audio player with the duration 0. Otherwise, we will play our audio player because our audio player process state is in between our audio file. If you want to skip next or previous, then we have to define those method also. So here for play next, first of all we have to check whether our current index is less than to the length of our audio URLs. When this condition is true, we will increase our current index and call our play current audio method. Play current audio method because the play current audio is initialized our audio player from the starting point. Similarly, we will make our previous method. Here we have created play previous. Now we will check current index should be greater than 0 till only, and why true of that condition only we will decrease our current index and again we will call our current audio, so that our audio player will initialize again. Now for stop audio, we have make our audio player dot stop. For dispose, we have make our, for disposing of audio player, we have make dispose method, audio player dot dispose. So we have defined all type of methods which we required during this tutorial. Okay, now come to our UI part. First of all, we will make our 3 button, which is our controller button, like for playing our audio file as a play and pause state, and also using 2 button which will play a role for skipping the audio file to the next direction and also to the previous direction. So here we will define our row and children. Now we will define a common method which will produce 3 similar icon. So here we will define our visit. Here we call is the name build like this and call, and we will return here inkwell, and we will here child, we will call here container child like this, and here we will accept 3 parameter which is icon data and on press function and size. So here on tap we will call our on pressed function which is required, and now we will apply this build impressive button here, pressive button, and we will pass here icon dot skip previous. Now this is our button and apply method like this and text. Let's see what will the output here. There is nothing because we have not passed anything here. It is at the top. Here we apply a icon like this. The icon will be, we have get using the parameter and apply the color and the size like this. Here it is. This is our icon we applied. Now we apply some type of decoration on the container. First of all, we apply some padding, and here we apply decoration, box decoration, and apply some type of gradient. Here we apply linear gradient and pass 2 colors and apply the direction which will define the direction of our colors. Here we will pass our colors. So we will pass the same color here like this. Colors purple, bluish and top left and bottom right. Like this we have applied here. Now we want to make round this, so we will apply here some type of box shadow and border radius. So here we have applied box shadow. You can see here this is applied the some type of effect here. So we have applied box shadow. In this we have applied some type of black color with some values alpha 0.3 and blur radius is 8 and offset is 4, like this, and it is not as round, so we have to apply the roundness here. Okay, we will apply this border radius on here like this. Okay, it is not applied, so now we do not apply any type of border radius. We applied on the inkwell the border radius, and in the decoration we apply for the shape, so we applied manually for the circle like this. Yes, now we have our button which is previous. Now we will copy and use this button again and again like this. Call here pause, play like this, and skip next. Okay, and we will apply main axis alignment dot center. Now this is okay. Here we apply some more size like 42 for this. Okay, so it is showing like middle button is large as compared to the two button which is situated at the right side and left side. Now we apply some kind of card effect below to these buttons. So I will apply some kind of container here and apply the decoration here also, box decoration. So here I have applied a margin which is 10 as a horizontal and 20 is as a vertical, and also apply the padding. In the box direction I have applied the white color and make the border radius with circular 12, and also applied the box shadow. This is our implementation. Now we want to make some space between these buttons, so we do not apply the center, we will apply our space evenly like. Okay, now we will call our method on this. Now we will pass here two buttons for start and stop. We call start and stop because first time we have to initialize our audio player, so we will initialize our audio player service class here. So I have make audio URLs, and this is open source URLs. You can use your own APIs which will provide you the audio data. I am using this for tutorial purpose, and you will call this audio player service. This is the same class which we defined some seconds ago. This is audio player service. Now we will call our init method. Here we will define our audio player service class. Now we have already our list of URLs. Here we call these two methods, add audio player service, here audio player service, and initialize our audio list here. What is the name of our class? Audio player service class. This is our audio player service class, and we will call here this class. Like here it is, audio player service class. So we have called audio players dot load audio list and audio URLs. Now come at the bottom, we will define here two more button. So here I have defined a one button which is elevated button, and I have defined the text start and also apply some type of style here. So here we define background color green and apply some padding, and also apply the rounded rectangle border shape, and also apply the border radius. Furthermore, we have made another button which is called stop, and also apply the same style as we apply on the start. We call here audio player service dot stop audio for stopping the audio, and here we will call play current audio. Now we'll rerun it here. So we have got our button. When we click on start, here you can see our audio file is in running state. Now we will stop it. We will stop here. Now we want to play and pause from here. So how you can do that? We call our play arrow from here. So as we already know, we define our player service, and we listen here player state. So we will listen this value. So here we will use our StreamBuilder class. So here call StreamBuilder like this, call here context and call player state snap like this, and we will return here our this vision like this, and we will listen Android audio player service dot player state stream, and we will find here player state like here we will define our if our player state is in process. So in the snap state, first of all we will get the state. Here player state snap.data. Now we will check player state dot is playing, then we will give this value, it means true, otherwise we give it false. Now is playing, then we call here icons dot pause like this, and based on this we use audio player service dot toggle play and pause. Wait, now we will start. The state is changes. Now we will stop, and like this, here it is. You can call here play next and previous audio players dot play previous, and here we apply audio player service dot play next. Okay, now when we apply the next, it will skip our file next and play different file. Okay, now we will show here progress indicator. I mean, whenever our song is playing, the progress will show on the seek bar, and also we will show here duration. So here we will initialize first of all a stream builder, because here now we will listen for two streams. First is for duration stream and second is for position stream. So first of all we will listen for the duration stream, because before starting our audio file, first of all we need our total duration and the position of stream we required when our song is started in the playing state. Come in our demo class. Here we will pass audio player dot duration stream, and it is called context duration snap. Also recently another stream which is audio service dot position stream. Context here we call position snap. Now we have get two streams here. In the first stream we have got our duration. So duration dot data duration 0. If we got any type of duration, then it will assign to our variable, otherwise it will give 0. And we will get our position stream. Initially it will also give us 0 like that. Now we will return our column here, because we will define here a circular and also a horizontal. So before circular we will define first of all horizontal seek bar. So here we will pass slider theme, pass our data, and also apply here slider. So in our data we have applied some kind of theme like slider theme data. We have applied tracker, height, thumb shape. I will demonstrate this property when our seek bar is created. So here we initialize our value. So here we have applied the minimum value 0.0 and max is duration. I mean the total duration of audio files, which is our duration which we get from here duration, and value the position in seconds and to double. Now we will call here value on change. Let's we rerun it like this. When we start increasing. Now we will update y on change. When we interact with this seek bar and try to increase or decrease, the duration of audio files will increase and decrease also. So we have make two methods. On change start, when we start interacting to it, then we toggle our play and pause button, and also on the end we toggle our play and pause. We have not defined the seek to method. Seek to is when values changes, like when we try to interact this, then we decide to change the progress, then we will apply the same progress to our audio player. So whenever we change the progress on our seek bar, the same duration will reflect from our audio file. So we will apply our seek to method. So this is our method seek to. Here we will pass our duration of position, and audio player will catch this position here like this. Now we will start interacting it like this. When we start create, now we have some get the height like this. We remove it. Now we will apply here some circular progress. Now we will pass here our stack and children. We will make here our circular progress indicator and also a button. Now wrap with widget, which is size box. We'll apply height 300, width 300, and we'll apply value. So we will apply our duration and position on this circular progress indicator. So here we apply value. First of all we will convert our position in seconds like this and pass it to double, and divide this equal to duration dot in seconds dot to double, and clamp this between two boundaries, which is 1.0 and upper limit is double dot, and after that clamp it with two limit 0.0 and 1.0 like this. I've applied the background color white, stroke width 8, and also value color with green essence. The always stop animation is indicating that when the progress is increased, then the animation should be stopped with green color at the point of increased progress. Here it is like this. This is progress which we indicate here. When I click on like this, it will decrease and increase. Hope you understand what I want to apply here. Now I will place play and pause button at the center of this. So now I have make a button StreamBuilder which is already wrapped with our this button. The same thing is we apply here. Here we listen our stream with player state and got our data is playing, and also written a button which icon size 64, and if it is playing we will give it pause circle field, otherwise circle play circle field. Now we click on it. This is the button. Now we will wrap this stack with container so that we will apply some kind of decoration on it. So here it is. I have applied a padding of 16 for all around, margin vertical 20, and decoration. Here I have also applied some type of shadow effect with black, and also apply the background color and shape of circle like this. Some kind of shape is applied here. Now I wanted to make all the content at the center, so we will apply alignment at the center. Now it is applied. Now we have remaining two things here. First is starting duration and changing duration. Now we will define two text. First is row children 0, and we will apply main alignment space between, and we apply some style on it. This is we apply here, this also, this is. Now we will pass here our position, and here we will pass our duration. Now let's see. Okay, it is showing some weird type of duration. Okay, we have to be convert this position and duration into readable format like in seconds. For this, let's create a method which will convert this data into our readable in seconds format. Okay, this is our method. It will get a duration. First of all, it will check whether duration is null. If it is null, it will give 0 0. So first of all, we'll take out minute. Here we return our minute and second. Now I will use here format duration. Here we will pass position. Now you will see we will got our 3 minute here, and here we will pass format, and here we will call duration. Now this is running call. This is our progress is increasing and decreasing. Click on next. The song is changed here like this. Our progress is increasing and decreasing. If something is missing here, this is we have not make this right. Here it is main alignment space evenly. So we have got our result here. It will reflect here, and when you click on it, it will decrease and increase the progress. So I hope you will get some knowledge from this video. If you get little bit information from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this tutorial with your friend. Thank you.